What will make you believe that love will touch your heart? That when I meet you I will feel like I am in ninth heaven. What will